Lingokids Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Lingokids is an educational app for children, but most people get this wrong. They assume that quality language learning for kids requires a premium budget. The surprising truth is that Lingokids pricing is straightforward and offers significant value for families. There's a free tier that provides limited access to games, songs, and basic activities. You won't believe how engaging this free version can be for toddlers and preschoolers just started to learn English. Premium plan, typically around per month, unlocks unlimited access to the full curriculum, interactive games and offline mode. Families with multiple children or longer-term subscriptions can often benefit from discounted annual plans, reducing the monthly cost further. Here's a tip: most people get this wrong by thinking the free plan is enough for long-term progress. For consistent learning and measurable improvement, the premium plan offers much better content and tracking features. In conclusion, Lingokids pricing is transparent and scalable. By choosing the right plan for your child's needs, you go from zero to pro in supporting early language development while getting excellent value for your money.